Baby First. Click the subscribe button below.
Hello, there's somebody's hand. I wonder who that is. It's Hug. Hello, Hug.
Hello. I'm looking for Goo Goo. Goo Goo, are you up here? Goo Goo.
Hello, Hug.
Oh, it's Harry. Have you seen Goo Goo, Harry?
Why are you looking for Goo Goo?
It's his birthday.
Birthday? I love birthdays! Yay!
Goo Goo. Where is Goo Goo? Maybe he's in there. Goo Goo. Goo Goo. Are you in there? No, Goo Goo's not in here.
Will Hug
Goo
find
Goo.
Goo Goo?
Goo
He doesn't
Goo.
know where he is.
Goo Goo. Oh, maybe he's up there. I'll have to climb up and have a look.
Go on, Hug. Go and climb up.
Goo Goo, are you there? Goo Goo, I can't see him here either. What's that?
Looks like Hug has seen somebody. Who's that sleeping? It's Goo Goo.
Goo Goo's asleep. Shh. I'm going to make a surprise party for him before he wakes up.
A surprise party for Goo Goo?
First, I've got to make some decorations. There's paper and a pencil and crayons and scissors and more paper and a stapler.
What kind of decorations are you making, Hug?
You'll see. In a minute, you'll see. Just gotta draw these lines. Now I've gotta cut them up into strips. Oh no! That's very loud. I don't want to wake Goo Goo up. I've got to do it quietly. Crayon, can you help me color these strips?
Hello, Hug. I can help you. What are you doing?
I'm making a surprise party. He's asleep. Can you color these strips?
What, these strips? Yes, of course I can help you. First green, blue, orange, yellow. All ready for you.
Oh, that's great, Crayon. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Hug. Have fun.
Now I've got to make rings out of them. Oh no, the noise is going to wake Goo Goo up. I'm not ready yet. I've got to be quiet with the stapler so Goo Goo doesn't wake up.
Wow, Hug, what a beautiful decoration chain you have made.
Now I've got to hang it up. High up there.
Wow, that is high, Hug. What are you gonna do? Wow, looks like Hug is going to climb all the way up to hang the decoration for Goo Goo. Don't fall, Hug, don't fall. You did it. Okay, now the other end. It's a long way. Oh no.
Oh no, the chain wasn't long enough. I've got to make it longer. Longer and longer and longer and longer.
Well done, Hug. Goo Goo is still asleep. Try not to wake him up. Up you go. Such a long chain. I hope you made it long enough this time, Hug, so you won't have to climb up again. I think it's going to be okay. Up you go, Hug. Up you go.
Yeah, it's long enough. We did it. Oh,
What a beautiful decoration chain, Hug. So long. What's this? Hug, why are you hiding?
I'm not hiding. I've got a box of surprises. In I go. I've got to look for some surprises for Pass the Package. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Let's see what you find, Hug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's loud. 5 surprises. Now what are you going to do, Hug?
I've got wrapping paper. And I've got the presents. Now I've got to make past the package.
Oh, that's noisy, Hug.
Oh no, GooGoo's waking up from the noise. I've got an idea. A magic wand. I'll wrap it up by magic.
What are you looking for, Hug?
GooGoo's friends. Party time! Party time!
Oh, there's Gaga. She's coming to the birthday party. Rainbow Horse, you're here too. And Larry's coming too.
Hello! Yes, I'm coming too! Hello, friends!
Hi, Hug.
Are you coming to GooGoo's birthday party?
Yeah, I'll put on my costume. Ta-da!
But GooGoo's still asleep. What are his friends going to do?
GooGoo's sleeping!
GooGoo! Wake up, GooGoo!
Rah! I'll shake him awake! GooGoo! Wake up! Wake up! No, he won't wake.
Ha! I know how to wake him up. I'm going to tickle his feet. No, he won't wake up even if we tickle him.
Did he wake up, Gaga? No. An alarm clock? That's a great idea.
It's loud! That's very loud. That will just frighten GooGoo. Let's take it further away.
That's too far. GooGoo can't hear.
I'll take it to the middle so it won't be too loud and not too soft.
Good morning, GooGoo. Happy birthday. Now we can start the party. Pass the package. Let's see who gets the package when the music stops. Gaga, Larry, Harry. Oh, Rainbow Horse, you got it. Open up the first wrapping. What did you get? What did you get? A balloon. Blow it up. What a beautiful blue balloon. Next wrapping. Who's gonna get the next wrapping? GooGoo? Gaga? Larry, you got it. Let's see what you got.
I got it! I got a
A
ball!
bouncing ball. What fun.
Back and forth, rah!
And another one. Now let's see who gets it this time. GooGoo? Rainbow Horse again? Hug! What did you get, Hug?
A mouse! I got a mouse!
Whoa!
Hey, that's funny.
The music started. Gaga? No. Larry? Harry, you got it this time.
I got it. It's mine
What
this
have you
time.
got? What have you
did I
got?
get? What did
Open
I
up.
get?
Come on,
What's in
quickly.
here? A whistle.
Okay, one more time. Gaga? No? Again? GooGoo! Yay! The birthday boy has got his gift. What is it, GooGoo? What's in the box? Bubbles! Look at those beautiful bubbles. What's wrong, GooGoo? Oh, Gaga's sad. She didn't get a present. What are you going to do, GooGoo? You don't want her to be sad? Oh, you're going to share it with her. That's so thoughtful of you, GooGoo. What a wonderful birthday party Hug prepared for GooGoo.
I love making parties for my friends. Happy birthday, GooGoo.
Happy birthday, GooGoo. You have wonderful friends.
Hey! Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.